Hey, Darwin here. Let me walk you through how you can make the most out of this 80s heavy metal super quick and easy licks. First is to break them down. Break them down into chunks, sections, lines of technique. Second is to experiment. Try playing a line of technique over your favorite backing tracks. Try them in various speeds, rhythm, chord progressions. See where and when it works. See where and when it doesn't work. Get creative. Third is to repeat. Repeat the techniques until they become second nature to you, until they become part of your staple playing vocabulary. I know it may take some time and effort to practice them, but it will be all worth it. And number 4, apply. And I think this is the most crucial but exciting part of the learning process. So whether you're jamming with friends or a band, or you're making your own music, immediately apply the techniques that you recently learned. Put them together in a musical context and express yourself through them. And hey, if you got this far into this 80s heavy metal quick licks journey, good job. I'm so proud of you. Keep it up. And if you're new to this channel, please feel free to support us by subscribing. Also, click the like button of any of the videos that you think make sense to you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again on the next. Peace.